What's up, Temperatureless? My name is Ultra Ethan, and welcome back to another unboxing video, where today we are going to be unboxing this He-Man and Funko Pop Ride figure with a Battlecat. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Oh wait, first let me show you the textures of the box. Side, front. So here's the back, which shows all the collectibles from your He-Man, Prince Adam, Sorceress, Tongue Lasher, Cyclone, Mosquito, Webstor, TM, and Skeletor for 10. Okay, well, let's open this thing up. Not to destroy the box. Oh. Oh! Oh! It's not that hard at all. This kind of reminds me of when I unboxed Rhino. Go watch, if you guys didn't watch that video, you should. So yeah, this looks pretty awesome. The texture's really good. The texture's really awesome. The quality, scratch it, but who cares? So yeah, I think this is really cool. Except, because Funko store. Where should I go? I know where to put it. Hang on. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it right there. That's perfect. Careful. I don't know where to put it. I'll figure that out after the big. But that's gonna wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any suggestions on where to please put this, let me know. Let me know. Also, do you guys have any video ideas? If you, let me know. So, oh no, they're coming. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and wear your mask. What should I say now? Oh, I'll just pause now so we'll let on a cliffhanger.